In this video, we will learn about angles. We will see their definition, measurement, and different types of angles. First, let us see what an angle is made up of. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common starting or initial point. And what is angle? Angle is the distance between those two rays. When an angle is formed, it leads to three divisions of a region. The first is on the angle, second, interior of the angle, third, exterior of the angle. Now let us see the measurement of an angle. An angle is measured in degree. Now what is degree? One complete revolution is divided into 360 equal parts, and each part is a degree. So a complete revolution consists of 360 degrees. And how do we write degrees? We write it like this. Now we will see different types of angles and their measures. Take this first example. In this case, the angle is less than 90 degrees. So it is called acute angle. So any angle which lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees is an acute angle. So that is, acute angle is greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. The next is 90-degree angle. It is called right angle. If we see this in terms of revolution, it is equivalent to 1/4 of the complete revolution. Next, we have an angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It is called obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is an angle which lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Then we have straight angle. It is equal to 180 degrees. As the name suggests, the rays combine to form a straight line. In terms of revolution, it is equal to half of the revolution. Next, we have an angle which is greater than 180 degrees, but it is less than 360 degrees. This is called reflex angle. So, reflex angle lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. That is, it is greater than 180 degrees, but it is less than 360 degrees. At last, we have complete angle, that is 360 degrees, and it is equivalent to a complete revolution. Let's go through the different types of angles that we have seen. Acute angle less than 90 degrees, right angle equal to 90 degrees, obtuse angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, straight angle equal to 180 degrees, reflex angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees, complete angle equal to 360 degrees.